Hey there, it's Eric Evenstad with BootstrapBizGrowth.com, and in this video, I want to show you how to record a video testimonial with a customer or client. And so in yesterday's video, we talked about why video and testimonials are so important for getting you new clients and new customers. And so here I want to talk specifically about how to contact your past clients and customers, and then how to get these video testimonials going. So using this method, we're actually going to do a video call with the client and record our screen while we do it. And this is going to allow us to ask them specific questions and drill deeper into their answers so that we can get some really great video footage to edit down into our final video testimonial. So this is really the technique that I use to get all of my best video testimonials for my course, and it's the way I recommend other people do it. It does take a little bit more time and a little bit more effort, but the payoff is going to be very big. So let's dive in. I'm going to pull up my screen and just show you some of the tech stuff behind it. It's really easy. It's not too overwhelming. So just follow along. These are all free tools, and let's dive in. So the tool that we're going to be using to actually do the video calls is Google Hangouts. All you need is a free Gmail account, and you can use Google Hangouts. Just go to hangouts.google.com and sign in with your free Gmail account. From here, you're going to click Video Call. And we're going to invite whoever it is you're talking with. So you're going to want to set this up beforehand with whoever is doing the video testimonial with you. So set a time with them just like you were doing an in-person meeting. Set a meeting time and then send them this link and tell them to just click the link when it's time to do the video call. So they're going to get an email with that link. They're going to click the link. As soon as they do, they're going to be added to this video call, and you're going to be able to see their face, talk to them, and that's going to be the start to this video testimonial. The next step is we want to record our screen. So we obviously want to tell them that you're recording this. That should be pretty well known since this is a video testimonial, but just confirm with them that it's okay that you record it. And I use Screencast-O-Matic to do this. This is my favorite free screen recording tool. And this is just going to allow you to record your screen, record the video call so that you can go in at the end and edit everything down and create that video testimonial that's really going to have that ultimate impact for your business. So go to screencast-o-matic.com. I have a link down below. Download the tool. Again, it's totally free. And it lets you record, I think, up to 15 minutes on their free plan. If you need to go longer, that's okay. Just sign up for the paid plan, which is just a couple bucks a month, and you can record an unlimited amount of video time. And the key there is when you're doing it, when you get started with your recording in Screencast-O-Matic, you want to make sure that you go into the settings. So you're going to click this little gear icon once you start recording, or right before you start recording. Click this little gear icon. And you want to go to computer audio, click that little arrow right there, and you want to click yes. So this is going to make it so that the recorder, the Screencast-O-Matic video recorder, is picking up the other person's audio. So this is really crucial because this is going to allow you to do the interview with a pair of headphones in and a microphone. This is how you're going to capture the best audio. Put your headphones in, and you'll talk through the microphone on your headphones, or if you have an external microphone, that's great too. But you want to make sure that you're using headphones, and when you do that, you'll be able to hear the other person, but it'll also pick up their audio uninterrupted, and you'll have really high quality audio. And that's just going to make your video testimonials better because you're not going to have sound interference or anything like that. So use headphones with a microphone and turn computer audio on. That is very, very important for this. I've made that mistake a couple of times where I've accidentally recorded a really great video testimonial, but I didn't have that computer audio turned on and I didn't get any good audio recording. So very important step right there when you're using Screencast-O-Matic or whatever tool you're using to record this video call. Just make sure that you are recording that computer audio as well. So once you're recording, now it comes down to just asking the right questions. So I'll exit out of this, and what I want to do, I want to show you my testimonial questions that I ask people that have taken my course on how to hire a virtual assistant. So these are the 7 questions I ask, and before I start asking these questions, I just ask the person that I'm interviewing if they can kind of repeat these questions but right when they start to answer. So, can you please say your name, position, title, and business name? That's question number 1. So I would ask them to phrase their answer as, hi, my name is blank. I work for blank doing blank. So, hi, my name is Eric. I am the founder of Bootstrap Biz Growth. Okay, so that is the first answer, and that's going to be really great footage to put at the beginning of the testimonial video when I start to edit. Next question, why did you want to hire a virtual assistant? What types of tasks are you outsourcing? How has your virtual assistant made your life easier? How did the outsourcing course help you? Would you recommend outsourcing to other entrepreneurs or business professionals? Would you recommend this course specifically to others? Okay, so those are the 7 questions that I ask, and that's just me. They're going to be different for you based on whatever that service or product is that you are selling. Come in and tweak it, but use this as a guideline. Ask them about their pain points before working with you. Ask them how their life has been impacted or bettered since working with you. And then ask them to start drilling into the specific things that they really liked about your product or service, and ask them to kind of recommend this to other people using those words specifically. Yes, I would recommend this course or this product or this service to others because blank. Okay, so here is some bullets that kind of give you a better idea so that you can kind of tailor it to your own business. You want to ask who this person is that you're talking to. What are the problems they face before working with you? How has my product or service made your life easier, better, etc.? What was your favorite part about my product or service? What were your biggest takeaways? And then would you recommend this to other people and why? So hopefully they'll dig deep into these answers. If not, just make sure that you keep asking these why questions so you can get a little bit more audio and video so that you can put it into your ultimate video testimonial that you edit down at the end. So that brings us to editing all this footage. So by the end of this video call, you should have about 10 to 15 minutes of video footage with these answers from this past client or customer talking about your service and the benefits, right? That's standard for me. I usually have about that amount of time. You might be a little bit different, but you're going to have too much footage and you're going to want to go in and edit it down and pull out the best chunks, the best snippets, and put it into one video. So my favorite tool for editing, just to make things easy, is Screencast-O-Matic, the same one you just used to record this video. They have a great recorder. You do need the paid plan. It's a couple bucks a month. Sign up for it. It's well worth it. And their video editor is really easy to use. In fact, I have a full video on my YouTube channel that I'll also link to where I show you how to go in and edit your videos. Really simple. You don't need any experience at all. I taught myself how to do this, and you're going to be up and running doing it yourself in just a couple of minutes after watching the video in the link down below. So I hope this helps. Go make sure that you're getting all these video testimonials from your past clients. They're going to have a huge impact on your business. They're going to help you sell more of your product or service to other people because it's going to help build that trust. And this is going to be the easiest and best way to do it is with this live interview that you record where you actually talk with those past clients and customers. I hope you go take action. I hope this is valuable. If it is, give us a thumbs up down below and share this with anybody else that might also find value in this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel where we talk about how to grow a business on a budget. And lastly, I just want to thank you for coming by and checking out this video. We do really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.